Today, I'm going to show you how to enable and view revisions in WordPress, so you can easily recover earlier versions of your posts and pages if you ever make a mistake or want to revisit something you wrote before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to browse through your content's history, compare changes, and even restore older versions, all right inside your WordPress dashboard. So if you've ever wiped out a paragraph by accident or wondered who made that last edit, this is definitely for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes. Go ahead and enter your username and password, and if you're managing multiple sites or users, just double-check you're in the right spot. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side menu for posts or pages, depending on what you want to review. For example, maybe you want to check the history of a blog post you're updating, or perhaps you're reviewing a core page like About Us. Click on the relevant section, then find the post or page you want and hit Edit. It's important you open it in edit mode so that you can access all the features you need. Now in the WordPress editor, there are a lot of options, but to view revisions, you'll want to make sure the settings sidebar is visible. You can usually find this by clicking the small gear icon at the top right of the editor screen. If you're not seeing the sidebar with things like categories, tags, and featured image, just click that little gear and it'll pop out the settings for you. Within that sidebar, under the Post or Page tab, scroll down until you spot the Revisions section. WordPress will show you a simple line, something like Revisions 5 right here. That number tells you how many times the content has been changed and saved. If you're not seeing this section, don't worry. Sometimes revisions are disabled by your site hosting or configuration, but in most cases it should be right there. Go ahead and click on the number, or if you see the option, the word Browse. This will take you to a special revisions interface where you get to see a timeline of all the changes made. Think of it as your content's time machine. Here, WordPress lays out two columns side by side, one showing your current version, the other a previous version. Changes add up quickly, so this comparison really helps clarify what's different between the two. You'll see added text highlighted in green and anything deleted marked in red. It's a bit like tracking edits with a red pen and highlighter, really handy for spotting even small tweaks. At the top, there's a slider you can drag left or right to flip through each revision, so you can move back in time and see exactly how the page or post evolved. If you want to compare two versions that aren't right next to each other, for example, the first draft and the most recent, you can check the Compare Any Two Revisions box. This gives you the flexibility to review non-sequential edits and see big picture changes. Once you find the version you want to bring back, maybe you liked your original wording better or want to undo a big mistake, just select it with the slider and hit Restore this revision up at the top right of the screen. This will immediately replace your current content with the selected revision, so take a moment to be sure. Don't worry if it isn't perfect though, since every restore creates yet another revision, you can always jump back and forth as needed. That's it, now you know how to view, compare, and restore past versions of any post or page in WordPress, making it easy and safe to edit your content without fear of losing your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or experiences in the comments. I love hearing your stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.